Hi everyone, it's Christina. Today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on this look I call the Sunset Glam that's perfect for this summer. Let's start. First, I'm gonna prime my face. I'm really loving this primer by Cover FX. It smooths and gives my skin an airbrushed look every single time.
I can be alone, I don't need my phone, I don't wanna leave today, I'm stuck in my zone, I just wanna lay around.
For foundation, I'm using the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. I've only used it a couple of times, and despite some mixed reviews, I really love the finish of this foundation. You can see that I'm bouncing the beauty blender really aggressively, but it really works to press the foundation into the skin for that natural perfect skin look.
I know how to love me and just how to touch me. It's so beautiful when you don't want nobody. The meaning of lovely is the greatest something you could ever hold. I can feel the water wash all my hate away. Grateful for my fingertips and all the lines they trace over my body. I don't want nobody. I know how to love me. So beautiful.
For concealer, I'm just gonna cover my dark circles, some acne scars, and a little on my nose bridge for a natural highlight. Next, I'm gonna contour my face with a liquid contour for a subtle sun-kissed look.
I can be okay, nothing left to say. I don't need to be around silly petty games. I'm on to better things. Nothing stays the same. There's no need to wait. I can seize the day. This one's for my kings and my queens and my angels. We all fall too wise, fall too kind for the pain. So isn't it our job to be right, to be strange? No, but he is nothing. No, we just ain't the same. Oh, this one's for the strong, independent and brave. Oh, we can't wait too far to be told we should change. So practice this today. Oh, you can be okay. Oh, you don't need nothing. You're enough. Ain't no shame if you don't need nobody. I know how to love me and just how to touch me. It's so beautiful when you don't want nobody. The meaning of lovely is the greatest something you could ever hold. I can feel the water wash all my head away. Grateful for my fingertips and all the lines they trace over my body. I don't want nobody. I know how to love me. Hello, beautiful. We're wasted, drunk in lust, and some say it ain't good enough. But baby, if we're so damn out of touch, then why does it feel so much like love?
Now I'm gonna set my face with this Hourglass translucent powder because it's summer and I don't want my makeup sliding off. For my brows, I had them microbladed, so I'm just lightly going over it with the Colourpop Brow Boss pencil in dark brown. For my eyes, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Sorta Sweet palette and this first shade called Rosé and applying it all over my crease.
You'll be crying, slowly dying when I decide to leave. All we do is make up.
Next, I'm taking this gorgeous gold shadow called Sweet and applying it on the center of my lids. And then I'll be applying this shade called Berry Bite on the outer V of my eyelids to deepen the crease. And lastly, I'll be applying the shade Glaze on the inner corners of my eyes. For my lower lash line, I'll be applying Berry Bite and Sweet to tie up the look. For eyeliner, I decided to use a dark purple color for a softer look. For my cheeks, I'll be using this rosy blush and applying it all over my cheeks for that slightly sunburnt look. And for a highlight, I'm using Vanilla Quartz by Becca for that glow. For lips, I'm using the lip trio from the Kylie Cosmetics Sorta Sweet bundle, first with the color Boy Bye. And lastly, I'll be applying the Super Glitter Gloss in the shade Glitz on the center of my lips for a fuller look. And that's it for this look. Easy but glamorous. I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!